Hello, and thank you for watching again. Today I'm going to be testing the bug beam on the shredder from Bug Assault. We're going to assemble that, set it up, and see how it shoots. Alright, let's open that up. So first we're going to remove the laser from the adapter ring. And then we're going to loosen the adapter ring screw here so that we can snap it on the end of the shredder. There are some notches that will clip right in that will align the adapter ring so the laser sits straight, so you don't have to worry about that. And we'll just tighten up the adapter ring screw here. Again, this is plastic, so don't over tighten. We don't want to strip or crack anything. And then once you're completed, we just snap the laser right back into the slot. And the button to activate, turn on and off, is really nice. It's hidden in the back so you don't accidentally turn it on or off in storage or in use. And then we have the Allen wrench here that it comes with, which will do the horizontal and the vertical adjustment of the laser. Let's get this thing going. So I set up the target box here. I did use some shoot and see dots. I thought that might be good for ease of visibility. Also, it's really sunny here, so I wanted to make sure we could get the laser to show up well. So I marked off a measure here at both 2 feet and 3 feet. I figure we'll zero it at 3 feet and then see how close it is on target at 2 feet, since I seem to shoot most of the bugs somewhere between 2 and 3 feet. And I'm going to use our little bean bag here to hold that steady while we zero it. And let's give it a go here. Right, so what I'm going to do first, we're going to set you up here at about 3 feet. And when I say 3 feet, we're going to do that from the end of the muzzle. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to line up my iron sights here. So right now, to me, let's go to a higher target. I would appear to be a little off to the right. So what we can do to try and save some ammo here is maybe I'll make a mild adjustment to the horizontal on the target. So we have our bug beam here. Let's see if I can get that to focus. There we go. Now this here will be the horizontal adjustment, and this is the vertical adjustment, at least according to the instructions. So let's make some adjustments there. So seem like clockwise. There we go. Let's take a look here before we fire a shot. That's pretty close. I'm just a little bit off to the right. Let's try that as well. Alright, that looks pretty close to where my, I guess I can't call them iron sights, we'll say plastic sights, are showing. Alright, here we go. Let's get that muzzle at 3 feet. Okay, I would say we're probably on target with our first shot. We could probably raise it up just a hair. But before we raise it, let's check it out at 2 feet and see what we got. Here we go, the muzzle at 2 feet. And that's dead on. So I think I'm going to leave that right there. So I think if you have the chance, I would actually zero according to your iron sights first, assuming your iron sights were pretty much on target when you got them, because that took us 2 shots to confirm our zero, and that was it. And as many people have commented, the cylinders are a buck a pop, so it's probably good to minimize this so you can spend more time on the flies. That was actually a little bit of range there this time. Let's see if we got him. There he is.